Hello everyone, my name is Kartika Dewi, and for today I will present you the topic of cost of capital. With the module goal is student can calculate the weighted average cost of capital or WACC. WACC we can call it as a cost of capital, and there are several definitions for cost of capital. Some of them are the company cost of funding, minimum rate of return a company must earn before generating profit, required rate of return to satisfy capital budgeting project, or opportunity cost of making specific investment. So there are several definition for cost of capital. Sometimes we can say WACC also. WACC is a rate of a company expect to pay on average to finance its asset. The number is weighted average of the component of cost of debt, preferred stock, and common equity. How to accept or reject the project? The company primary objective is to maximize shareholder wealth through stock prices. The prices are influenced by risk and required rate of return. The selected project needs to have a higher future cash flow compared to its cost of capital in order to increase firm value. We accept if the project of the present value of the future cash flow exceed the project cost. WACC equal to percentage of debt times with after tax cost of debt plus percentage of preferred stock if you have preferred stock. If you don't have preferred stock, you can just skip. So I repeat again, WACC is percentage of debt times with after tax cost of debt plus percentage of preferred stock times with the cost of preferred stock plus with percentage of common equity times with cost of common equity. So I give you the example from presentation PowerPoint. You can see from here PT ABC has equity 1000 and the debt 500. The cost of debt before tax is 6%. Risk-free is 4%. Risk-free here you can use T-bill in United States, and for Indonesia we use Surat Berharga Bank Indonesia. And the stock beta, which is the risk of the stock, is 1.5. The higher stock beta, the riskier the stock. And market risk premium is 10%. Tax rate 40%. There is no preferred stock in this calculation. So how to calculate your cost of equity? Will be 4% add with 1.5 times with 10%. So you get 19% for cost of equity. And cost of debt is 6% times with 1 minus tax, and you get 3.6%. So now you calculate the cost capital. So the cost capital itself, the component will be from the cost of equity and debt. So you have to calculate first, then you calculate the cost of capital later. So now for the cost of capital, the debt will be 500 divided by 1500 times with 3.6%. You add with 1000 divided by 1500 times with 19%. So for all those calculations, you get 13.87%. The project will be accepted. It is earned more than 13.87%. Factors the company cannot control. One is interest rate. If interest rate goes up, then cost of debt increase. General level of stock prices. If the stock price is down, then the stock of equity goes up. Number 3 is tax rate. The change in tax rate will be change cost of debt. and at the end it will change the percentage of cost of capital. So this is the factor the company cannot control: interest rate, general level of stock prices, and tax rate. Now the factors the company can control. Number one, change the capital structure. This is maybe you have more debt and less equity, or more debt, less debt and more equity. So you have to calculate each scenario which one is good for the company. And number two, change dividend payout ratio, whether the company wants to pay dividend each year or just every 2 years. And then number three is alter capital budget decision rules. Things to remember: 1. Proportion of debt and equity. Number 2. The cost of capital is very important element in capital budgeting decision. Number 3. We have to understand cost of capital before calculate capital budgeting. Now it's time for quiz, and the question will be: in deciding WACC, this is some factors the company cannot control. A. Capital structure. B. Interest rate. C. Dividend payout ratio. D. Net present value. So this is the end of this module. See you again. Thank you for watching and listening.